Oh, so excited. Here comes the ID.4. Oh man, look at that thing. That is awesome. Just looking at this in person now, it is so much cooler than the photos and videos that I've seen online. This is wicked. This particular model is one of the first in Utah. Only a few thousand of these were built, and they sold out within the first 8 hours. The ID.4 Pro is coming soon. That's going to be their all-wheel drive model. This particular model is the rear-wheel drive model. The range, 250 miles on this thing. It charges at 125 kilowatt charging speed, which is absolutely insane. The infotainment system came with haptic feedback, so it's not just the glass. You can actually scroll your finger across the glass and actually feel something, which is a pretty interesting feature. I've seen a lot of EVs and all of them are using blue or green badging. I think people are kind of over the saving the planet vibe. They're ready to adopt EVs.
They went out on a limb here and they took risks and they created a very practical, modern, advanced, if you can say those things together.
For sure.
Modern practicality with advanced technology.
Yep.
And they nailed that.
They did. Totally nailed it. Seeing it in person, I am super impressed. I didn't think honestly that this was gonna excite me as much because I've driven and seen a lot of EVs, but I'm actually really impressed. This has exceeded my expectations completely.